Hi, a very good evening to everyone. So here I am back again with another piece of anecdote. It's a story about a district collector who turned out to be the coolest collector for 100 tribal kids. So let me take you back to 2019. It's an incident in context of Umaria district of Madhya Pradesh. At that point of time, average temperature in Umaria district used to be 45 to 46 degrees. And at that time, these 100 kids were suffering from malnourishment. But their problem was not just malnourishment. They were also suffering from burn injuries. Now the question arises, from where did they get this burn injury? So the issue was that the tribal community to which they belonged had a superstitious belief that by branding the kids with hot iron rods will help in curing their malnourishment. Can you believe this? And as a result, those kids were suffering from double whammy. On one hand, they were malnourished, and on the other hand, they were suffering from these burn injuries. And both these issues were getting aggravated because of that scorching heat. The temperature was as high as 45 to 46 degrees. At that point of time, there was no separate fund to install air conditioners in the nutritional rehabilitation centers where the kids were being provided the shelter. And the local Red Cross Society also just had 13,000 in their funds, which was not enough to install the air conditioners. At this point of time, who came for their rescue? It was none other than the district collector, Mr. S. Somvanshi. So when he was looking around his office, he realized that there is one air condition in his chamber and there are 3 air conditioners in the meeting room. Immediately, he got all 4 of them removed from his office and got them installed in the nutritional rehabilitation center. And you would not believe, the people around him got so moved by his gesture that within a span of 3 days, people came forward and donated 5 lakh rupees in that local Red Cross Society, and which made all the difference. And the headlines in the newspaper was the cool MP collector who gifted his ACs to 100 tribal kids. Now the question is, where can we use this piece of anecdote? So many places. First and foremost, it's a very good example to be written under the heading of compassion. Now what is compassion? It is empathy along with desire for action. So he was not just the official who was empathizing with the pain of those kids. He came forward and he provided the solution to alleviate the pain of those kids. That's a very good example which can be written under the heading of compassion. Secondly, you can use this example as a part of ensuring good governance. You can use this piece of example that how emotional intelligence can ensure efficiency in administrative services. You can also use this piece of example under walking the talk. That is, you are not just preaching, you are also practicing what you preach. And last, but the thing is that you can also use this piece of example under the heading of acting role model, that how others can get inspired by this selfless gesture of Mr. S. Somvanshi. So I hope this piece of anecdote will help you in your preparation. And if you want more such anecdotes, do not forget to mention in the comment box that what kind of anecdotes under what specific topics, if you want me to address, then please let me know what all I can help you with. This is a small initiative from my side to help you in your preparation for UPSC. So stay tuned with us and wish you all the very best. Take care. Happy learning.